Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are making a protein packed veg snack called Soya Kababs. So let's get started. We will need soya chunks soaked in water for at least an hour. These are all the ingredients we need. Check the description box below for exact quantities. First, we will saute some onion, garlic, ginger till they turn lightly brown. This step will add an amazing smoky flavor to our kebabs. Now let's get back to our soya chunks, which should be soft and have doubled in size by now. Squeeze all the water out of the soya chunks. Remember to clean and sanitize your hands thoroughly before doing this. Now simply add the sauteed ginger, garlic and onion to the grinder jar. Along with the soya chunks, a lot of coriander leaves, two tablespoons of hung curd or Greek yogurt which doesn't have much water content, and lemon juice. You can find the exact quantities in the description box below. So now blend this together. It would be a bit of a struggle to blend it at the first, but please don't be tempted to add any extra water. Take your time till the ingredients are properly mashed up. Now remove this in a mixing bowl. Add salt, jeera powder, garam masala and a generous amount of crushed black pepper. We will also add in some black salt, 2 tablespoons of gram flour to help the mixture combine and hold its shape. Now comes the fun part of shaping the kebabs. Make sure your hands are wet before you start to avoid the mixture sticking to your hands. Now roll a little dough in your hand and place a barbecue stick in it. Now extend it around the stick with uniform pressure until it forms into a cylindrical shape. Push it out gently from the stick and place it on a plate. There you have it, your kebab is ready. Now if you don't have a barbecue stick, you can also do the same thing using a spoon or even a straw. Let's see how. Once all the shaping is done, the kebabs are ready to be shallow fried. We are going to use the same pan we used to saute the onions. Just add 2 teaspoons oil to it and place all your kebabs. Cook them from all the sides till they turn golden brown. These kebabs are reminding me of a joke. So, a teacher asked student, if you have 5 kebabs and someone asks for 2, how much you have left? To this, student replies, 5. Well, then teacher asks again, if someone forcibly takes 2 of your kebabs, and how many would you have left then? To this, the student replies, 5 and a dead body. That's the kind of love for kebabs you will have once you try these. If you like our jokes, let us know in the comment section below. Hope you like these as much as we do. Until next time, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.